It's really turning out to be one of those volatile days for the markets. One up day, one down day, another up day, another down day. That's really been the story all throughout this week. Got done with the series as well today, but first let me take you through what the price action was for the markets in today's trading session. Today we started off in an extremely bleak handover in terms of US equity markets, an 850-point slide coming in the Dow that was rubbing off in Asia. But remember, we preempted the fall yesterday, aligned ourselves with the European markets yesterday itself. So there was not much weakness from what we had already seen in yesterday's trading session. Still, we've fallen about 0.5% today. At one point in time, it seemed like we're going to even breach that 11,600 mark. Resurrected ourselves from there, saw the market pull through as well, and then finally settled about 50 odd points lower in today's trading session. While yes, the breadth as well caved in today's trading session, while it improved from where we started off, but then again we've managed to close in favor of the declines. Let me walk you through what were the key sectoral pressure points in trade today. Automobiles were down. You had banking as well, which was a laggard in today's trading session. Same can be said about some of the other names like capital goods as well, wherein L&T came out with its numbers, couple of upgrades as well coming in from brokerages, but the stock still fell about almost 5% in trade. Cement was, yes, an impressive pocket. You did have Shree Cement as well as ACC Ambuja, which were a couple of key gainers in trade. FMCG, just marginal gains coming in out there. Fertilizers as a pack held out, and then sugar was really the sweet pocket after the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs met with the Prime Minister and decided upon an ethanol price hike per litre of in excess of 3 rupees coming in. So that really brought about some amount of buoyancy across the sugar space as well as names like Praj Industries. But besides that, there was a whole lot of red on the screen. Pharmaceuticals, power, real estate, media, metals, these were all laggard sectors in trade, as was the case with telecom. Idea, which is due to report its numbers later today, that fell pretty hard by about 5.25%. There was Piramal Enterprises. Titan reacted negatively to its numbers, and same was the case with the BHL, which also was a loser by about 3.5% today. On the flip side, though, Berger Paints, Asian Paints, Cement, the home building names, wherein you've seen the sectoral churn play out for the last fortnight or so, these stocks continued to be fairly resilient. Pidilite as well was a key winner today, about a 5% uptick coming in there. HPCL held out surprisingly, and gold financiers also did well. Now, if indeed the second wave of the virus is to play out, you're going to again see a rush for safer haven assets like gold. At a time when other asset classes like equity markets are also facing volatility, gold only becomes dearer. So yes, gold financiers as a theme is what really played out well in the markets, and most experts that we've been chatting with, they believe that gold is going to continue to shine and the bullish trend pretty much is intact. IT also made a marginal bit of move. By the way, for the series, we've done pretty well. IT, banks have all had some good gains, and in the series gone by, the Nifty as well has had quite a decent price performance.